this is funny. We've been doing this a long time and we have certain things we say and we find competitors start to use our terms. An example is we create what's called a family rulebook. We say, look, you either got the state's rulebook or your rulebook. You'll learn about that in the workshop, right? But what does it mean to have your rulebook? Well, your rulebook means that we've taken the law, what we call the boilerplate, the legal language. Look, that's available online. That's in law books. All the lawyers have it on their computer. They can push a button. That's the easy part. The hard part is what questions need to be asked of you to know how to modify the legal language so that your needs, which are different than my needs, different than your neighbor's needs, are actually incorporated into the estate plan. So not boilerplate. Most lawyers take these boilerplate trusts and they hit the buttons and they ask your name and your address. We have a process. It's a beautiful process. We educate you, and then we take you into a meeting to identify what type of planning do you need, like what are your key goals compared to what you learned. And then we say, okay, based on that, we have a whole design session that says, all right, there's a whole plethora of questions we're going to go through, extensive, about you specifically and personally, different than the people before you, different than the people after you. And our software is not the boilerplate software. We have the only software in the country that allows customization at every single element of your plan. And we have a template that we follow that asks all the necessary questions that make it your rulebook. I can tell you, I've done thousands of plans over my lifetime. I don't have any two that are alike. Everyone is different. Everyone is based on the individual I'm talking to, going through the matrix of questions. So when we say a rulebook, you're getting your rules in a legal document inside a binder with other tabs that have all your legal documents, all your financial documents, all your notification documents, all the things your family is going to need to avoid what we call the morbid scavenger hunt, right? We don't want them running all over the place. What do mom and dad have? Our clients, their families know us because we build these rule books. We teach them to teach their children about their rule books. They know where to find their rule books, and they know what's in their rule book.